malinaw po ang nakalsan dito. Ito po raw ay construction of slope protection of at Lakeshore, Barangay Bonita City. Nakita niyo naman ang sources of fund, GAA 2020. Po, yung source of fund po itong ginamit ng construction po ng slope ay galing po sa GAA. Meron po siyang General Appropriation Act. Pinondohan po ito yung gagastusin po rito sa pamamagitan ng GAA. At ito po ay hindi po basta sinabi lang na ito po ay nanggaling lang sa pondo po ng gobyerno. At kung gusto niyo pong scrutinize o pag-aralan, pwede niyo po tignan yung GAA ng 2024 para malaman niyo po kung ito po ay kasama po sa appropriation po ginawa ng Congress. Congress which is composed of upper and lower house. Ibig sabihin po, before the fund comes out from the Treasury, National Treasury of the Philippines, meron po siyang General Appropriation Act na ipinasa po from proposed bill to from the lower house, passed to 3 readings and then goes through upper house, which also passed to 3 readings and later on forward to the office of the president for implementation of the bill before become law. And after the 15 days of publication, the law become the proposed bill become a law, an approved law, which the executive enforce the said law. Bago po naisasagawa po ang isang batas, kailangan po yan ng dumaan po sa lower and upper house. Pirmahan po ng presidente kung kailangan po may ibito, particular section or provision na kailangan baguhin. Babalik po sa kung saan po nag-originate yung bill at yun po, ayusin po at iaakit po uli sa presidente kung alin po yung particular provision na binago. Then after the signature of the president or the inaction of the president to sign the said bill, it becomes law after 30 days and it must be implemented. Yun po ang proseso po ng bago gumamit ng pondo ng bayan. Kailangan po mayroon po tinatawag na batas na nag-uutos. At yung pag sa national po, GAA, General Appropriation Acts, it means that the executive was obliged to enforce the said law. Be careful. What? Like, share, and subscribe.